Okay, hi everyone. So in the last class, I have explained what is a set, what is the representation of f as a roster form and set builder form. So now I have just around 8 questions. We have to write them in the form of set builder form and roster form. So let me start with the first question. The first question is asking the set of all the natural numbers. So we'll represent the set is as an A. Okay, he's asking what is a set of all the natural number less than 10. So we can let me write in the form of roster. So roster we should write the curly braces and you have to write the elements. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the numbers. These are the set of natural numbers which are less than 10. This is written in the roster form. Let me represent in the set builder form. You have to write x such that x belongs to natural number where x is less than 10. Okay, this is the solution for the first question, right? So set of all the set of natural number less than 10. So you have to write a set whose less than number less than 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with separated commas. Next, in the form, if you want to write in the form of set builder form, so you have to write syntax x such that x belongs to natural numbers, but this x is a less than 10. Suppose you are asking to write the natural number, just a set of natural number, right? So then you can just represent as a is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot 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 dot, because this is infinite set. Here also we have to repeat a set is a x is nothing but it belongs to natural number. Just you need to write this is a set which is belongs to natural number. Okay, this is a roster form and set builder form. Next, go for the second question. In the second question is asking you have to write the set of odd numbers less than 10. So first let me write the odd numbers less than 10. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So if you want to write in the uh, roster form, you can write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Next, if you want to write in the set builder form, you have to write x as that x is a odd number less than 10. You can just write in the statement, right? X says that x is a odd number which is less than 10. So this is a simple way. Next is asking you need to write the set of prime numbers less than 20. If you want to write the set of prime numbers less than 20, so first let me write the numbers which are less than 20 are prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the prime numbers less than 20. So if you want to write in the form of roster form, you have to write 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 with the in the curly braces with the separated commas. If you want to write in the set builder form, you write x such that is a x is a prime number less than 20. This is a set builder form. Next is asking we need to write set of all the days in a week. You need to write the set of all the days in a week. So just if you want to represent in a roster form, you can write a set with a capital letter, start a curly braces. You need to write the name of all the set of all the days in a week. So you can start with a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So this is a representation in the roster form. If you want to represent with in a set builder form, such x such that x is a day. You can say x is a set is a day in a week. Okay, this is a representation of the set. Okay, set of the days within a week. So next question we have to represent and a set of letters in the word India. So they have given a word India. So India. So in India, so you can see that I is repeated twice. So whenever you are writing a set builder form, so we have to write a unique one. So I and D A. So this is a representation in the set roster form. If you want to represent in the set builder form, you can say X such that X is a letter of word India. Similarly, you can solve the next one, set of letters in principal. So we'll have this is here also I is repeated, right? So you need to write once. So you need to write in the set builder form, and you can say that X says that X is belongs to the letter of word principal. Next we have question. You have set of all the months in a year having 30 days. So you know what are the list of all the months which have 30 days? So these are nothing but April, June, September and November. Okay, so these are the four months. Those have 30 days in a month. Okay, in a year. So these are the four. So if you want to represent them with the help of the roster form, just you need to put them inside a curly braces. You can write some name, represent a set. If you want to write in the form of roster form, you can write that X such that X is a day, is a month whose have 30 days in a year. This is a representation set builder. Next is asking multiples of 7. So if you want to write the multiples of 7 in the set builder form, so we have represented set builder, so multiples of 7. So 7, you write the table of 7, 21, so on. Okay, it's not given in condition like less than 20 or less than 30. So this is a roster form. If you want to represent in the set builder form, you have to write X such that X is a multiple of 7. This is a set builder form. Okay, this is how we will represent the questions or any set in the form of roster and set builder form. So let me next explain you about the subsets and different types of sets. Okay, in which this in the exam you will be getting the question to write the list of all the subsets. Or first let me explain you the empty set or null set. So empty set. So empty set, you can say that any set which does not have any elements. Okay, so it is also known as empty set, null set or void set. It is denoted with, this is a symbol phi, or also this is represented with a curly braces with a no element. Okay, you can say that example, a set of natural number less than 1. So what is a natural number less than 1? It is nothing. Okay, so nothing is there. So we have to represent this set as an phi, or we can represent with a null. This is a null set. So if I ask you about the next power of sets, right? The power of the sets is nothing but is all the subsets. So next we have to write the, this is a empty set. Next let me write you the subsets. Suppose let me take the example. This A is a set. It has some element like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let me take the another set as it has some elements like 3, 4 and 5. And okay, so here we can say that, see, in elements of the B are belongs to A. Okay, the whatever the different elements which are there in the B, they are also there in C. So we can say that B is a subset of A. Okay, this is a representative of subset. Okay, we'll represent this symbol for the subset. So we can say here all the elements which are there in B, they are also there in A. So we can say that they are the subset. So in the exam he will be asking, you need to write all the subsets. You need to write all the subsets of the this set. Suppose we have a set number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to write a list of all the subsets. If you want to represent, if you want to write all the list of the subsets, so then this is also known as power of sets. Okay, you can say list of all the subset, or this is also known as power set. So if you want to find the list of all the subsets for this, suppose let me take another question. We have some only few elements, like this element has 1, this set has only 3 elements, 1, 2, 3. So in the question he's asking list all the subsets of the following or write the power set of this. To find the number of sets, the number of subsets, if you want to find the total number of subsets for this, we have a formula is 2n. So n is nothing but here the number of elements in the set. So here we have 3, so totally we'll have 8 subsets. Okay, so we can define a null set can be the subset of A. Okay, a null set will be the always subset of any set. So null set is a subset of this. You can say a set it has an element 1, a set it has an element 2, a set which has an element 3. This is also subset of this, this is also subset of this, this is also subset of this. You can also say an element and a set which has only element 1 and 2. You can say a set which has an element 1 and 3. You can say a set which has element 2 and 3. Or else you can say an element which has 1, 2, 3. So totally if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally we got 8 subsets. Okay, this is how we'll write the subsets of any set. But this should not be repeated. Okay, all the sets should be unique. And you just remember that empty set is always subset of all the sets.